Welcome to Fab Technologies, your trusted destination for complete technology solutions. We are professional system integrators specializing in CCTV systems, security systems, computer systems, software solutions, and networking systems. At Fab Technologies, we provide new and refurbished desktops and laptops, along with expert system installation and repair services. We also offer licensed and customized software solutions, reliable wired and wireless networking, and professional CCTV installation services for homes, offices, and businesses. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to explain TP-Link point-to-point wireless networking, a powerful solution that we commonly install on rooftops or terraces for long-distance internet and data transmission. This technology is widely used in homes, offices, factories, warehouses, schools, hospitals, and construction sites where running fiber or LAN cable is difficult or expensive. Small Blue Diamond. What is point-to-point wireless networking? Point-to-point wireless networking, also known as P2P, is a system where two wireless devices communicate directly with each other over a long distance. These devices are usually installed on terraces or rooftops and must have a clear line of sight between them. One device acts as a transmitter and the other works as a receiver. Together, they create a wireless bridge, just like a physical LAN cable, but without any wires. Small Blue Diamond. Why TP-Link devices? TP-Link is a trusted brand known for its reliability, stability, and cost-effective solutions. Popular TP-Link point-to-point devices include CPE210, CPE220, CPE510, CPE710. These devices are designed for outdoor use with weatherproof bodies and strong signal strength. Small Blue Diamond. How does it work? Let's understand this with a simple example. Suppose you have an internet connection in building A and you want to extend the same internet to building B, which is 500 meters, 1 kilometer, or even 5 kilometers away. Instead of laying cables underground, we install one TP-Link CPE device on building A, another TP-Link CPE device on building B. Both devices are aligned facing each other. Once configured, they create a secure wireless link. Now, internet, CCTV camera feeds, servers, and office networks can be accessed in real time from the remote location. Small Blue Diamond. Uses of point-to-point networking. This solution is extremely useful. Uses of point-to-point networking. This solution is extremely useful for long-distance internet sharing, factory-to-office connectivity, live CCTV monitoring from another location, connecting farmhouses or remote buildings, temporary sites like construction projects. The speed and latency are much better compared to normal wireless repeaters. Small Blue Diamond. CCTV over wireless bridge. One of the biggest advantages is CCTV transmission. Cameras installed in a factory or warehouse can be viewed live from a main office located kilometers away without internet delay. This makes it ideal for security, monitoring, and management. Small Blue Diamond. Installation and alignment. Installation quality is very important. The device must be installed at proper height, firmly mounted on a pole or wall, perfectly aligned for maximum signal. Even small misalignment can affect performance. Small Blue Diamond. Final words. TP-Link point-to-point wireless networking is a professional, reliable, and cost-effective solution for long-distance connectivity. If you want stable internet or CCTV connectivity without cable issues, This technology is the best choice. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Visit us at shop number 1 PM Kothari Plaza, Tamba Kanta, Tilak Road, opposite Jain Mandir, Malegaon. For trusted service and expert support, call us today at 7666220474. Fab Technologies, your satisfaction is our priority. Vitrite Pointing Backhand Index. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.